This video will show how to shift the task schedule and the entire project schedule of your tasks to match the scheduled start date field found on your project add edit form. In this example, my scheduled start date is 3/3/2021, and you can see the task schedule starts on 2/2/2021. There are a couple different ways to do this, but first we'll want to make sure that we catch any constraints. Now in Project Insight there are a few different constraint types that you can set on tasks. The constraint types that will lock your dates to a specific day, whether it's a must start on or a must finish on, can be seen on a task list by this little caret right here. You'll see if I hover over it, it says that there's a must start on constraint on this task. If I even click on it, it'll say what that constraint is. The way to fix this on a task by task basis is I can actually inline edit this task, go over to this clipboard, and I can see what the constraint type is and what that date is. My first option is I can actually change that to ASAP after project start, which will delete and take out that must start on. For good measure, I always like to take the dates out as well. And I can hit save. So you can see that shifted this date in the starting task of the whole task list to reflect the scheduled start date of my entire project that was found on the project edit form. The other way to do this is especially helpful if you have multiple tasks that have must start on or other constraints. What you will do is go to the checkbox up here, check all non-summary tasks, because summary tasks don't actually have start and end date constraints. You'll only be doing this for child tasks. Then we'll go to bulk edit. As a rule of thumb and best practice, you can keep all tasks at ASAP after project start if you want them all to cascade each other after the waterfall predecessor relationship methodology. We've put in ASAP after project start. I'll hit save. PI is going to do the rest of the work for me and make that update. And you can see the scheduled start date is reflected here with the start date of the task 3/3/2021. For more information about constraint types, feel free to check out our documentation about those specific types and what they do to the Project Insight task list.